go for international since I was scoring more than they couldn't expect. I encourage those who don't neglect to come and keep on practicing, because practice makes perfect, so that they can also enjoy sports like the way I am doing it.
This is an event on which we bring our pupils to go to come and showcase their talents in sports to their parents. We don't just only embark on academics, we also embark on other aspects like you have seen. Children are actually talented differently. Others may be talented in class and others outside class. That is why we train them holistically, we train them as a whole. That is outside class and inside class.
My learners and the students, the pupils, I want to kindly request you that when you come to school, kindly stay in school and complete school. This business of feeling that those who are not in school are enjoying it better than you are deceiving yourselves. Me, I started from here in Kasese. I finished my P7, finished my senior 4, I finished my senior 6, I got a degree, I got another degree, until I was taken to the Ministry of Education in Uganda. I know some of our parents, when we put children in sports, they look at it as if it's a waste of time. They look at it as if indeed their children are missing in academic. We are saying no as educationists. I was in charge of quality for secondary school when I was in the ministry. But one point I must mention, that this business we are doing here is helping these young ones. And our teachers, I saw them also jumping up and down. First of all, there is the physical fitness, and therefore some of the young men I was seeing here were becoming as big as me when they are still very young. We developed the spirit of teamwork, that I need this one, I need the other one, and even in life, such a child knows that he needs other people. So they develop the habit of teamwork. On academic, a learner who is in football, who is in netball, who is in volleyball, will always have a forward mind, will always think forward and plan. When you are planning a goal, when you are planning to win, you will know that even in academic you need to win and you must plan it. So it also helps on academic. Where we are going now, the situation needs us together, not divided. Because government, you read in the Amanya Mushega report, which was released recently, where they are talking of removing the PLO. Okay? What if that one was passed in the white paper, that PLO be removed? So what will you be competing for? So why don't we therefore work together, to think together, and see what can we do just in case that happens?